Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So on our driveway job, long-awaited project. Rain beat us a couple of times. We've got it going our way. Guys, we've got everything placed. Did a couple little test touches there. It's still too wet to get on to start finishing. So everybody's grabbing some lunch. But this is a 42-yard pour, complete tear out. Redid the driveway, put some nice curved transitions. Also made it a little wider. A whole lot better for this homeowner than the little narrow cramped one that sharp edges corners. So we'll let this set up some, probably another hour or so. And the guys will get on it and start troweling it. And this will be a completed job. I'll keep you posted with the finished product. And thank you for watching. Call us if we can help you out with your concrete jobs. 478-501-0102. And don't forget to subscribe.